welcome back, y'all. We are making beef stew today. So I started out in my skillet or pot with a little bit of vegetable oil and some ghee. All right, this is my carne asada, my beef of choice. It's, real tender and ground up real good with the fats. Just breaking it up in the oil and the butter. This is gonna be a voiceover because I am cooking with my nephews. So, if you know, you know. My beef is seasoned with salt, black pepper, garlic, and some Worcestershire sauce. The butter is in there to help it stay moist. Directly into the pot, I'm going to start with my vegetables. I'm going to start with some yellow potatoes. This was actually a situation where I was taking all of the produce out of the fridge that was probably on its way out. So this worked out really good. Now we're going to start with our herbs. Okay, so this is the part that needs the most of your attention. I'm adding the flour, right, to start to thicken it up. Kind of like a roux, but this is not exactly a roux. So I'm moving it around. This is where all those oils and fats and butters are going to come in or whatever. I'm just moving around. You want to keep on moving around, get all the vegetables coated with the flour. And as it continues to cook, it's going to turn brown, and you're not really going to have anything like excess at the bottom of the pan, like no extra oil or anything like that. Now it's about to get serious. I'm about to add my water. Do not leave the stove or the kitchen, because right now, I'm sorry to yell. Right now, you really need to be there to stir. You need to have all the water that you need, or have somebody there to pass the water to you. It's about to seriously thicken up on you. You don't want it to burn. But also, no pressure. You can do it. Just stay on top of it at this point. So I'm turning the heat down. I've added enough water and I've stirred enough to know that there's just enough water. If you add too much water, it's okay. You can always let it cook off, or even add a little cornstarch at the end. You don't have to worry if your carrots and potatoes aren't tender enough at this point. They will get their chance. To pack a little more beef flavor, I'm gonna add a pack of this brown gravy mix. Got it from Aldi's. And this better than bouillon. So they are so good. Like, if you have to be like a little careful because a lot will go a long way with them. But they do pork, chicken, they do all the flavors, and it's great. It's so potent. Now that everything is added, we're just gonna adjust the flavors. We season every step of the way over here. Now that we got all the flavors together, I'm gonna put this thing to bed for maybe like 25 minutes to 35 minutes on low. All right, so we're adding the meat back to the pot. Probably season it one more time just to make sure that everything is right. From here on, it's all about the sides. So do you like bread, like cornbread muffins, rice, or do you just eat it straight up? We are making a pot of rice right now. My nephew convinced me to make these crescent rolls. He put a little butter on them, a little garlic, and a little, looks like herbs de Provence on there. But that's it. That's the finished product. That is a homemade beef stew in what, like 8 minutes. Of course, it's not gonna take you 8 minutes, but you know what I'm saying. Give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. If you do it differently, let me know. I want the tips. Enjoy.